If you want the fastest mobile data speeds on your iPhone, enabling 5G is the best option. Just keep in mind that using 5G could drain your battery a little faster than LTE or 4G. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap Cellular. Select Cellular Data Options and tap Voice and Data. If your iPhone is currently set to LTE, you can switch it to 5G on to always use a 5G connection whenever it's available. If you'd rather balance speed and battery life, choose 5G Auto. This option automatically uses 5G when it's needed, such as while streaming or downloading, and switches back to LTE when high speeds aren't necessary. After that, go back and tap Data Mode. Select Allow More Data on 5G if you want your iPhone to take full advantage of 5G. This setting may prioritize 5G over Wi-Fi for tasks like software updates, iCloud backups, and higher quality media streaming. That's all there is to it. Your iPhone will now be set up to use 5G according to the option you selected.